Okay, today we're going to do an unboxing and installation of the screen protector for the Model 3. Not a lot of talking audio today, but I did want to show you what it's like to install one in real life. This is my friend Sandy doing the unboxing and installation today. There's no way I would attempt this. That's stuff for another video. That's the box it comes in. As you can see, it's well protected in shipping. This actually turned out quite well. I've had the screen now installed for a couple months and it's absolutely perfect. You can't even know it's there. There's no bubbles, nothing. Sandy did an incredible job and the screen works quite well. Took a few seconds to figure out how it's put together here. You see the little tabs there. We'll see how that's used in a little bit. Oh, and the directions. Better have your reading glasses on. There we go, outside to the car. Put in screen clean mode. Excuse the camera shake. I don't know what happened there. This we had to do several times. A lot more than what you see in the video. In order to get it right, we had to do that. I guess it's like any other project. You gotta do the right preparation or it doesn't turn out right. There's little sticky tabs. There's a screen, and there's a layer of film on the back side that faces the pad. Faces the display, and that back layer is what you pull off. So the back side of this screen faces the display and it's got the stickum on it. You pull those tabs over and do all your alignment to make sure it's all aligned perfectly. And you see that little white tab up there? That's connected to the second layer, the back layer that gets removed. Sticky pad to remove any dust particles that got left behind or just came in automatically. Uh-oh! Tabs are not strong enough to hold. We didn't have any detailing tape or painter's tape or masking tapes, so we just used regular tape. And it turned out fine. There's no residue left over. Those three little tabs they give you is not sufficient to hold the screen in place while you're cleaning and adjusting. So if you use this, don't even try. Get a little extra in there. because it's absolutely imperative to get this thing lined up correctly. Now it's cut to shape perfectly, but if it's not lined up, the whole thing looks goofy. And every time you remove it, every time you lift it up, more dust comes in. We did this with the windows closed in the car. Realign everything all over again. A visitor comes walking by. Mike comes walking by. He's the one that helped me with the mud flaps. As you can see, you don't do this in a hurry. If you're in a rush, don't bother. Wait till you have some free time. Give it another try here. Is he going to make it this time? More cleaning. And the screen did not fall off this time. Check the alignment again. Maybe some heavy-duty tape might have helped. But we were worried about screen residue. Even the black tab's got to get moved. Just when you think you got it right. I could have edited this down, but I wanted to see what it really looks like to do. More tape. Got to keep that thing in place. It moves. Fresh tape with fresh stickum. Sandy's not taking any chances this time around. More cleaning. Make Make sure you got enough wipes before you start. I brought extra wipes with me before I started. We're almost there. Yeah, bring a trash bag with you. She's using some to stick them to the tab to clean some of the spots out. You'll need to use all the tabs that come with the kit, and probably a little extra tape to go along with it. We probably would have had enough cleaning supplies with the kit if the screen had not fallen off. Oh, now remove the bottom layer. Here it goes. This exposes the sticky side of the screen to the display. Nice, slow, even peel. Okay. She lets it drop in place, no pressure. Double checking to make sure it's okay. Do we have a spot? Yep, it's going to be a go. I think it's going to be a go. Then to start removing the tape on the top. I do have a referral link that if someone's going to buy a new Tesla, if they order through the referral link, they get 1,000 miles of free supercharging. If you watch to the end of the video, you'll see how to go about doing that. Oh, off comes the tape. There it comes. There is no residue left by the supplied tabs or by the tape that we added. There it goes. Clean it up. This came out really well. There it goes. We're back in business again. Hope you had a good time watching the video. Hope this helps you a bunch.